Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Nurturing your baby's sensitive skin year-round. Babies have delicate and sensitive skin as it is still developing from the day they are born. Their skin needs protection from environmental factors, like dust, changing weather, or any element that can cause harm to it. Temperature also has a big impact on a baby's skin. Therefore, their skin requires special care throughout all seasons, as each season may have different skin challenges. Here are some ways you can take care of your baby's skin throughout different seasons. Baby skin care in the summer season. 1. Apply baby-safe sunscreen before taking your baby out. 2. Use specially designed sensitive skincare for your baby while bathing them so their skin does not get dry. 3. Avoid making your baby wear overheating fabrics like nylon and polyester. 4. Dress your baby in breathable overalls. Baby skin care in the rainy season. 1. Keep your baby's skin dry post-bathing them. 2. Apply non-sticky baby-safe lotions to their skin. 3. Use mosquito nets to keep insects away from your baby. 4. Only use baby-safe mosquito repellents on their skin. Baby skin care in the winter season. 1. Moisturize your baby's skirt along with their skin. 2. Use baby-safe moisturizer to balance their skin's pH levels during winter. General tips to follow throughout the year. 1. Keep your baby's skin clean. 2. Keep their skin dry. 3. Keep their skin moisturized. 4. Use proper baby-safe products on your baby. 5. Make sure you use products with the right pH levels. Paying extra attention to these little details can go a long way when it comes to your baby's well-being.